wa githomo George Magoha ni acerete kaunti-ini ya Kakamega guthurima Waaki wa irathi cia CBC. Magoha ni okireire aria mahetwo kandarathi cia gwaka irathi aria augite ni macereitheirie tabarira ici iria ciagiriirwo gukorwo irikite ni undu wa mehareria ma arutwo aria makaingira kirathi kia grade 7. Magoha ni oritie arugamiriri a cukuru kiumbe matigateng'ere kuheana mathomo ma CBC angikorwo matigokorwo mehariirie kuigana.
Kakamega seems to be very happy that they are at 93%. There is no child which is 93%. A child is a 100%. And the Kakamega child is also 100%. So we have agreed as a team that all the pending works, which are basically at roofing levels, shall be completed by tomorrow. Tomorrow ends at midnight. Is that not so, Banangao?
True.
It will be complete. I have seen the energy among my colleagues, both the Ngao people and my own staff, and I think it is a task that we shall deliver. Going by the global approach now, I've said that there are several regions. The first one to complete was the Central region, followed by the Northeastern region, followed by the Nyanza region. Eastern region is most likely going to be the next one, maybe by tomorrow. Western region, where there are children, must also complete, and that's why we are here. In terms of preparedness nationally, I think we are well and good. You saw that our children who are doing CBC, the grade 6 ones, have done most of their practicals, and they are basically just remaining with the other assessments which are written, being regimented by the Kenya National Examination Council. Everything is going on very well. We as a government want to make the same standards, the same for both public and private. If you have no lab, you have no business offering a junior secondary school. Are we together? So I'm just saying that, say for example, those who will complete in November and they have their own labs, and we have now registered them, but you can't apply again. The children can work there. But even the ones that had their children in portals, nothing stops you again from just walking to the school and getting admitted, because it's a contract between you and the school. Are we together? And I'm hoping that this is a temporary measure, because once everything is in line, the private schools will manage their own affairs as they have always done in the past.